In a dramatic twist, Gautam Gambhir's tenure as the head coach of the Indian cricket team is under scrutiny. With the ICC Champions Trophy just around the corner, the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) is set to re-evaluate Gambhir's position based on India's performance at the prestigious tournament. Since taking over in July of last year, Gambhir's coaching tenure has been tumultuous, with the team's performance raising several questions. Out of the 10 tests played, India have suffered 6 losses, including a defeat in a bilateral ODI series in Sri Lanka. Even more concerning for the Indian cricket fan base, both Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma have faced poor form, casting doubt on their international future. And now Gambhir's position is under the microscope. BCCI's evaluation process will depend heavily on how the team performs in the Champions Trophy from February 19 to March 9. BCCI source said if India doesn't do well in the Champions Trophy, the head coach position could become untenable. Yes, his contract runs till the 2027 World Cup, but the process of the evaluation continues. Sport is result oriented, and till now Gambhir hasn't given any tangible results. The cracks in Gambhir's relationship with senior players have become evident, particularly during the recent Border Gavaskar Test series in Australia, growing discomfort in the dressing room, with many questioning the head coach's controversial stance on team culture. A source said Gambhir wants to end the superstar culture that has been prevalent for so many years now. As captain of Kolkata Knight Riders in 2012, he had dropped Brendan McCullum from the playing 11 for the IPL final against CSK. He has come here to dismantle the superstar culture, and that's what has caused discomfort for some playing members. This push to remove superstar culture has been a cornerstone of Gambhir's coaching philosophy. In his days as Delhi Ranji captain, he made a similar decision, opting to play matches at a less convenient venue, disregarding the preferences of star players. The person added, once as a Delhi Ranji captain, Gambhir decided that they will play home matches at a Roshana ground in Delhi, northwest, where the pitches were green top. But one huge superstar, who was also out of the Indian team, wanted to play the games at the Jamia Millia Islamia ground, which was closer to his South Delhi residence. Gambhir turned him down. Similarly, in the Indian team, he doesn't want star culture to breed. However, not all players have embraced this approach. Gambhir's stance in ending special treatment for star players has reportedly clashed with the demands of some of India's most experienced internationals. Senior players have even raised concerns about lack of communication from the head coach side, further complicating this issue. Amid this ongoing tussle in the view of the National Selection Committee, which does not want the head coach to have too much of a say in selection matters, Gambhir has shown shades of variable form. Coach Greg Chappell, in his approach, the Australian, who came amid much fanfare, left in chaos after developing differences with senior players over his training methods. The former selector, who toured a lot during Shastri's tenure as coach, said, either you be like a Ravi Shastri, who would be media friendly, give those sound bites, propping up players, making them look like an alpha male, or be like Rahul Dravid, Gary Christian, or John Wright, who would remain aloof, letting the players hog the limelight. The Chappell way doesn't work in India. Gambhirs or Shastris or Dravids will go, but players will stay. The BCCI brace is also unsettled by off-field issues, such as Gambhir's personal assistant being given unusual access to team facilities. Questions are being raised about professionalism and the coach management style. BCCI official says, why was his PA sitting in the car specified for national selectors? They can't even discuss things in a private with an unknown third person in the car. Why was he allotted space in the BCCI's hospitality box in Adelaide? How did he have breakfast in the exclusive area of a 5-star facility, which is just reserved for the team members? With the pressure mounting, India's uneasy dressing room now heads into the Champions Trophy. The stakes are high, and the future of Gautam Gambhir as head coach may well hinge on how the team performs in the coming weeks. Stay tuned as this high-stake drama unfolds. Will Gambhir's coaching philosophy reshape Indian cricket, or will it be the end for the road for the former cricketer as head coach? Only time will tell. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.